your foundation is looking too orange, too red, too yellow, too light, too dark, if you have redness, if you want to know how to cover dark circles correctly, this is the video for you. I'm going to be showing you how to use color theory to fix all these common makeup issues. Let's get right into it. If your foundation is coming out looking orange, add some blue to it, and you'll see that the color will neutralize perfectly for you. Yeah, so the blue is going to neutralize the orangeness of it, and it's going to come out looking more neutral for your skin like this. Amazing. Look, before, after. If your foundation is coming out too yellow, add some purple to it and blend. And you're going to see that the color is going to get more and more neutralized. I'm going to add a bit more purple to it. And for the people who like to say this is not real time, you see, it's real time. See? No more yellowness at all. I'm just adding more of the foundation into it to get a better balance. See? And now that looks great. No more yellow foundation. This is the final result. Foundation too light, add bronzer to it. And blend. Wow, look at that. Perfect shade. See? If you have redness or irritation on your face, you can go in with a green concealer or a green color corrector. Blend it out. Green color corrector. And there it is. You have to blend well, but it's gone. After you add the green, you can go in with a bit more of your foundation just to really mesh everything together well. And there you have it, redness gone. If you have dark under eye circles, use a peach or orange color corrector. Look at this. It's gonna go in and blend. Oops, I think I put too much. Sorry, got a little excited there. Okay, all right, so don't be like me, don't use as much. Just use a little. But as you can see, the orange really takes away the darkness really well. It's actually really pretty. Give the face a nice brightness. See? Gone. If you're lighter than me, a peach will be good for you. If you're darker than me, the orange is going to be better for you. Also, if you have acne scars or hyperpigmentation, any darkness on your face, the same orange concealer will work. And as I said, if you're lighter skin, you can do peach instead of orange. And you also want to wait for it to dry a bit. And after it's dried in, you can just go in and blend it out. I'm being lazy here. I'm just going to do the whole spot as one. And it will disappear. See? Now, if you're looking to brighten up the under eye, this is where yellow concealer comes in. Just add a tad bit. I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out. And that's what yellow does. Yellow is going to bring back brightness to the face, but only after you've color corrected your dark circles, okay? Otherwise, your dark circles will come out looking gray if you just try to go in with something yellow. See? Do you see the difference between this side and this side? It's a subtle difference, but you can still tell. And that's how you use color theory to assist you to make your makeup look even better. If you found it helpful, please go ahead and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Love you.